Lesson number 28. Stories of Addition 2. In the last lesson, we have learned how to add carrying over. Now learn addition in stories. See. 1. Gauri has 15 rupees. Mother gave her 26 rupees more. How many rupees does she have now? Answer. Now, we write it in its carrying over structure. Gauri has 15 rupees. Mother gave her 26 rupees. This is units place 5 plus 6 equals 11. The unit on the right is written on the left's carried over tens place. Now, write tens place sum 4 right on tens place. Done. 15 plus 26 equals 41. In this way, Gauri has 41 rupees in total. Let's see another example. 2. There are 24 cows and 28 buffaloes grazing in a pasture. What was the total number of cattle there? Answer. Write in the structure 24 plus 28. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 2 in the units place and 1 is carried over. Now, 1 plus 2 plus 2 equals 5. A total of 52 cattle were grazing in a pasture.